Hello Mårten, nice to see you here in Slush.
Good to see you.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
I'm Mårten Mickos, CEO of HackerOne, a cybersecurity company in San Francisco. And more broadly, I've been in the software industry all my life, so over 30 years by now.
Thanks. You were participating the roundtable discussion concerning supply chain management and manufacturing, and we were talking about how should manufacturing executives and leaders prepare themselves for the digital transformation. So, what do you think about that topic?
Well, we've had a time where the manufacturing industry and the software IT industry have been completely separate. But now, when we are saying that software is eating the world is also eating up software. And software as such is becoming a horizontal practice, which gives the manufacturing industry amazing opportunities to be the place where innovation will happen. And although there are the constraints of the physical world and physical goods, there's also opportunities to use data and services and openness and data integration to move much faster in delivery, in supply chains, in serviceability. So in a way, suddenly manufacturing companies can leapfrog their competition and be much more nimble. Even though, of course, building a product takes time, delivering it to the end customer takes time, and all of those things haven't changed. But the world around it is digital and it can move much faster, and by sharing information, it becomes much more efficient and trustworthy. So I think that's a huge opportunity for a manufacturing company.
Okay, what did you learn about manufacturing industry and their challenges?
I think we had a discussion with very clear statements about what the challenges are. And like always, they are between humans. How do you share information? How do you know what somebody's doing? How do you get them to tell you when there are problems so you can prevent your own problems? And that will always be at the heart of software. How do you make human beings work better together?
Okay, thank you Mårten, and have a great time here at Helsinki.
Thank you, Matti.